Good morning, student. Welcome back to another video. Here is Economics Chapter 1, and the chapter is, as you see, the story of village Palampur. The first of all, you want to understand why you want to read the story of village Palampur. What are the purpose? The purpose of this story is to introduce some basic concept relating to production, and this we do through a story of hypothetical village called Palampur. Remember, the purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concept relating to productions, and this we do through a story. Okay. So here is the story of village Palampur. Farming is the main activity in Palampur. Remember, the line farming is the main activity in Palampur. Here is the objective questions maybe arise. Okay, what are the main activity in Palampur? So the right answer is farming. Farming is the main activity in Palampur, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. are carried out on a limited scale. These production activity need various type of resources. Okay, these production activity, which activity? Manufacture, small scale manufacturing, dairy, transports and farming, the all activity needs some various type of resources: natural resources, man-made items and human efforts, money, etc. Okay, so which type of resources? Natural resources, man-made items, human effort, money, etc. As we read through the story of Palampur, we will learn how various resources combine to produce the desired good and service in the village. Remember and read out very carefully the overview of this chapter. Okay, now we're going to go through the introduction of this chapter. Palampur is well connected with neighboring village and town. Raiganj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. An all-weather road connected to the village is Raiganj and the further of the nearest small town of Shahpur. Many kind of transport are visible on this road, starting from bullock cart, tangas, boggy, which is wooden cart by buffaloes, loaded and jaggery, and other commodity to motor vehicle like motorcycle, jeep, tractor and trucks. These are the transport facility in Palampur, which is well connected villages with town. These villages had about 450 family belonging to several different castes. Remember this. Here is the also objective questions. How many families in the Palampur? The right answer is 450 families. The 80% upper caste family own their majority of land in the village. Remember, the 80% caste family own the majority of land in the villages. Their houses, some of villages. Their houses, some of them quite large and made of brick with cement plastering. The scheduled tribes, scheduled caste, Dalit, SC, the full form is scheduled caste. The SC, which we call Dalit, comprise 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village, and much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw. Most of the houses have electric power. All the tube Most of the houses have electric connections. Electricity power all the tubewell in the field and is used to various type of small businesses. Palampur has two primary school and one high school. Remember all the basic introductions of Palampur. Palampur have two primary school and one high school. There is a primary health center run by government and one private dispensary, which is the sick are treated, where the sick are treated. The description above show that Palampur has fairly well developed system of road, transport, electricity, irrigation, school, health center, as we studied earlier. Okay, and compare this facility with those in your nearby villages. So Palampur is the well connected with villages and town. The story of Palampur is an imaginary village. We take us through a different type of production activity in the village. In village across India, farming is the main production activity. The other production activity referred as non-farm activity, including small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. We shall take a look at both this type of activity after learning a general things about the productions. Okay, so in this class we will generally what are the purpose of reading this chapter, a story of villages Palampur. Remember, the purpose of this story is to introduce some basic concept relating to productions, and this we through a story. Okay, and here is the introduction of Palampur. Okay, how Palampur is that, how Palampur is well connected with their neighboring villages and town. What are the facilities have available in terms of transport, in terms of electricity, irrigation, how many schools is, how many health centers, they all are mentioned in the introduction of this Palampur. So read very carefully the overview and introduction of this chapter. Okay, and the next video we will discuss about the next topic, organization of productions. Okay, and farming in Palampur, the all chapter will be discussed, all topics will be discussed in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, goodbye, take care, bye.